Welcome to the Saw Trax Ideal Panel Saw video. We will begin with why our panel saws never go out of square. We'll start with the material rollers and hubs that your material will rest on. The holes in the hubs of a competing brand are off-center and can cause a roller to go out of alignment, throwing off your cut. Saw Trax rollers don't adjust and don't go out of alignment. I in Ideal is for the Index Alignment AccuSquare system that keeps your panel saw from ever going out of square. The frame and all other painted parts of the Saw Trax machines are powder coated. The guide rails are nickel chrome plated. The off-the-shelf porter cable saw comes with dust collection, standard. There is a clear vinyl dust flap on the front of the saw that contains sawdust and so allows the user to see the saw blade. The same dust hose that is used on the saw can also be used with the Porter Cable 891 router and our floating router insert. All of our saw packages now come with a dust containment brush underneath the carriage. There is a frame dust collection system that is available for the machines. It includes a cap for the back of the frame that draws sawdust from the front of the frame. For the ultimate in dust collection and sawing, check out our new Freedom Saw. Like our floating router, it is a floating saw. Since the saw rides on the material, it makes the dust collection of the saw infinitely more effective. There are two different kinds of saw inserts. Here is our standard insert. There is also an optional upgrade insert. This is called a spinning insert. The unique carriage system of the Saw Trax machines allows you to use other tools besides the saw. You can use a router for woodworking. You can also use a razor knife for sign shops. As you can see, it only takes seconds to change the tool. This is our new AccuGlide bearing system. It makes the carriage more accurate and provides better action on the guide rails. The AccuGlide bearing system is standard on all panel saws. It has a smooth action and a very light feel. Unlike other panel saws that use a U-bolt and nylon rings, this uses 3 bearings, so you can get it very tight and still have it run smoothly. Now, some of the advantages of the Porter Cable saw is that it allows the user to bevel cut. It also makes blade changes a snap with a built-in blade wrench into the bolt that holds the saw blade in. You can also see where your saw blade is going to cut when using the Porter Cable saw before you make the cut, so you can cut right on your cut mark. The standard saw that comes with the machine is a Porter Cable. With the 2000 series, you can get the top handle worm drive 15 amp Bosch saw motor. It also comes with steel sleeves over the plastic wheels that are on the frame. The 3000 series is similar to the 2000 series except for the saw, which has a deeper depth of cut because it uses a 10-inch saw blade and taller brackets. Because you can use your 10-inch table saw blades, the 3000 series is great for cutting melamine. Our dual arm saw uses a 16-inch blade to cross-cut pre-formed countertops. It has a 30-inch cross-cut capability with a 6-inch depth of cut. It can also be used to cross-cut 6x6s. One of the unique advantages of the dual arm saw is the dust collection system that is built into the table. We will conclude with our floating router table. It is a great bargain using our floating router insert on our universal saw and router table.